Alright, we got a bit of snow yesterday, maybe 25 centimeters. Just looking out the back. It's about 9 o'clock Saturday morning, February 9th. And just shoveled a bit of snow at the back here. Gonna go to the front in a second. Give you an idea what it's like. Day after a snowstorm. I guess Toronto got it pretty bad too. Way up, big mound of snow up there. Alright. Just walk through the garage here. Check out the driveway, just finished shoveling. Very bright out this morning. Looking down the street. Not much place to put the snow anymore. Once it gets so high. Neighbors out shoveling. People out with their snowblowers. Yeah, I know what that's like. Alright.